This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. I just got to knock at my front door. One of them damn energy people. Oh, we can save you £200 on your gas and electric bill if you convert and switch to us. If I knew it was going to be one of them people at the door, I would have not even bothered to answer. But anyway, she caught me off guard. So anyway, I'm standing out there talking to her. And this always happens as well. Anytime anyone knocks on this damn door to sell me something, could be windows, sell me a door, flipping gas, electric and energy and water and all them things there. Anytime anyone knocks the door and I answer, they ask me, are you the bill payer? No, they actually, to be fair, they say, can I speak to the bill payer? I'm like, yeah, it's me. They're like, oh, okay, do you live here on your own? Yes. Obviously, they don't expect, a face like this to own a house like this on their own, obviously, which is understandable because, see, black people, we have the reputation of not owning properties. That's the truth, especially young-looking black people. Anyway, she's telling me about, cause I said to her, I don't business about saving £200 for the year. And she said, well, you might not, but there are families around this area and I've knocked on their door before yours and they're struggling. She said they're scared to turn on their gas because they can't afford it. This is what I'm talking about. Now, I don't feel sorry for these parents. I feel sorry for the pity of them that have to suffer. I don't feel sorry for the parents. You got a mum and a dad and 3 children. Apparently, some of these families, the parents, them, have been furloughed. They're not getting as much money as they did before. Or they've been laid off during the COVID period or whatever. And now, they're panicking. I don't feel sorry for the parents. What was you doing before COVID lockdown? What was you doing last year? And the year before that? And 5, 10 years before that? Was you partying on the weekend? Was you going on these 1-2 holidays you think you're entitled to when you're really not? Or was you grinding? Was you working on the weekend? Was you working overtime? Was you doing foolishness? Doing drugs? Drinking excessive amounts of alcohol that you don't need to be drinking? Partying all the blood clot time? This is people's problem. When things are, going all well and that, yeah, everyone want to relax. No. Don't relax. Don't relax. When things are going well, you need to fix yourself. That's the calm before the storm. That's the calm before the storm. You know how many people out here get caught out? Unfortunately, they might live in a house and their parents pass away or something like that. While they was taking it easy, they should have been preparing. When things were good, they should have been preparing for the worst. And then when something catastrophic happens, they're unprepared. Gal all in the yard, sleeping upstairs in a little box room with the Mercedes outside. Yeah, slang mum and dad little £300 or whatever a month. And then blow the rest of the money. In that time, that individual there should have been saving their money because something catastrophic might happen. It don't even have to be, unfortunately, parents pass away. They could get kicked out the yard, whatever. You don't know. Maybe the landlord who owns the property, whatever. You don't know. Some unforeseen circumstances happen. But they weren't prepared. Because they was comfortable. They was taking life too easily. Next person, living with their sibling their whole life. Taking it easy, doing drugs, not saving no money. One day the sibling up sticks and decide, you know what, I'm going to relocate. Then they panic. Because in that time, they weren't preparing. They was taking it easy. So I don't feel no way. But don't get it twisted. It's not good to hear, there's families around here struggling. But I know, yeah, what I'm saying is true. But as soon as the girl said to me, oh, there's families around here and they're scared to turn on their gas and that. JYs, yeah? That's all I was thinking. I couldn't even hear what she was saying. I went deaf. My videos were playing in my mind, literally. Literally. I don't business. Now, I feel sorry for the children and that. I don't business about the parents. I don't business. Everyone has 24 hours in the day. What are you doing with it? People have been around for years. Why ain't you got nothing to show for your years? Except, oh, 1, 2 memories on this holiday, that car that you don't even have no more, but you're still paying for. Same with the pensioners. I don't feel sorry for none of these pensioners. Do not feel sorry for none of these pensioners who are going to freeze this winter. You've made it to your pension. 65 years old. What the fuck was you doing for the last 30 years of your life? How can you be 65 years old? How can you be a pensioner and not afford to heat your house? Throughout the whole time, you had an able body and able brain. No excuse. I don't feel sorry for you. Because I know, say, you was taking it easy. If you was continuously stepping out of your comfort zone within the last 30 years, taking risks, making sacrifices, you would have made something of yourself. You might not have been a millionaire, but you could fucking afford to heat your damn house. Stay wise.